In this video, I'm going to just quickly show you what the body means, what the HTML means, and what the header actually is. So, body is the part we see in our in the browser here, with our headliner, our paragraph, text, and all the things we created, and a gray background. So, what we just created in our this part here, body. So body equals this part from up here all the way down here. That's the body part of the page. The header part goes from about the top of the browser all the way over here. It's not really something we show the visitors. It's something we use to link to other documents, files, CSS, and so on. The thing we actually do show people up here is the title. So if we want to create a title, this is Kovi's first awesome homepage ever, and I click save, and I go to my browser and check the actual tab name. Once I hit refresh, it's going to change this Kovi's first awesome homepage. So that's actually what we see from our header. And the rest is basically linking to style sheets, to JavaScript, and so on. In the design, we usually also create a header, a footer, and a content area. And we can just quickly go to ESV, our own homepage. You can see up here, if I just mark an area, this is in this area I'm marking now. This is usually what we call a header area. It contains logos, it contains navigation, and it contains, for example, changing languages and search bars and whatever really the design plans for. The actual content area starts from around here, if you can follow my mouse, so around here, and it goes down all the way, in this case, to around here. So it ends just after the red area here. The footer is something that continues to go on each page. So this login part, this student counseling, this education part, and the logo, Facebook links, social media links, and so on, they will be on all pages. The same with the menu up here. If I just change it to About Us, you can see the header up here is still the same. It's the actual content that changes. So new content, new more content, and then we get the footer area again. So header, footer are almost always the same content on each page, and the only area that really changes is the content area. This is what we call the section. So if I write a HTML tag for this, it's called section. And the header is called header, and the footer is called footer. So I'm just going to quickly delete all the rest of this junk I just created. And these three areas is really what you need to start thinking when you're doing design and implementing stuff. Create your hierarchy. It's really important. So header area with your navigation bar, your logos, whatever you feel like, and your section is what's going to change on each page pretty much, and your footer links to specific things like login, whatever design. They are also almost always the same on each page. We'll get back to that again in a short while.